Good morning, team. Happy Thursday. Happy Friday Eve. I hope you all enjoyed your extra 2 hours off yesterday, and I trust that you put it to good use. Now, I'm so sorry that I am not in class right now, but I am available in the chat if you need me, and I will be back on Teams later this afternoon. In the meantime, I'd like to review what I need you to accomplish during today's class period. So, let's get started. Here is a look at today's schedule. As you can see, all of your assignments and activities are listed on the left here. I would like for you to first start off with a Quiz-Is assignment. The link for this is in the chat, but you can also access it by going to joinmyquiz.com and entering the code 63237986. When you are finished with the Quiz-Is, I would like for you to please work on this practice problem. We will go over the problem tomorrow during class, so before that time, I need you to create a diagram and an equation to solve this problem. Please pay attention to the important information here and the unknown. That will help you solve this. Now, after you finish your practice problem, I would like for you to please work in iReady for 45 minutes. That's right, we are doing iReady today and not tomorrow. I want to spend tomorrow wrapping up lesson 17 and giving you time to work on your cross-braining assignment. Now, speaking of assignments, when you finish with 45 minutes of iReady lessons, I'd like you to work on any missing assignments in Schoology. We are over halfway through this quarter, and I want us to finish strong. This means getting our assignments completed now, not later. If you have any questions, please send me a message and I will respond as soon as possible. But as always, team, I trust you to do the right thing, to work hard, and to let me know how it goes. Enjoy your day, and I will see you all tomorrow.